Well, I got this suction cup car mount for the Skylink Mini online, and it's a plastic. It's flexible. Looks decent, but my first impression on this is it gonna rattle, and is the suction is strong enough. The suction is not that big. I don't have the exact, but about 2 inches, but of course it has the clamp down for the suction to be strong. But the thing is, another thing is it's very sticky. So I think it's a combination of the stickiness and the suction that's holding up the dish. I have the dish right here. This is the mini dish. See how easy it is to snap on? I just need to turn it out. Slide. There's a little holder here. I got to make sure that the dish goes in between all these 3 clamps, in addition to the lock right here, the adapter that they have here. So let's try to put this in. Goes in. Snap it. It's in place. As of now, there's a little rattling here. So let's see if once I drive it, will they have the rattling. But guys, just a demonstration, but normally once you put them on, you do want to have the cables installed in first. Otherwise, it's going to be a little tough for you to push in the cable. So just a reminder. This cable here, I also bought it online, because the original cable is like a 30, I believe it's 30 feet. That's too long to use in the car. And I got this one, it's a 10 feet with the USB plug. So I'm going into the car. Now install the suction cup into the car. It's very easy process. Just find a spot. Now the thing is, it has the it's like a sticker type of firm film in the suction, so it holds very easily. And then just lock it, and it's pretty much locked. Now the next thing I do is would get the wires and run it through the opening that they have, connect it to the Starlink. Slide it through. Oops. Get away. Locks it in place. I'm just going to run my wire into one of the USB ports in the car. Pretty much all the new cars will have the USB port, and it should have enough power to make the Starlink function. You need minimum of 100 watts to be for it to have a stable power. All right, so I'm going to start up my car. Suction mount down. The thing with this is, first of all, you gotta loosen up the suction. Now you gotta get this out, but this is very tight even getting it down, because I believe it's not just the suction, but the stickiness of the suction. Okay. Now once I take it out, if I want to put it away, I'm not sure what do. Am I supposed to just leave it, let it stick to different things, because it's going to stick to anything that it touches? So it's something that we have to consider. And I believe these, most of the time, these type of stickiness, if it gets all oily and dirt get on there, just use water, soap, and just wipe it, and it becomes sticky again. But the thing is, it's just going to be sticky all over the place. Just take this apart.